Scratchers. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the uses of blocks. Okay, let's dive into Scratch World. Okay, you open Google and type scratch.me.edu. Click on this. I have already in this before video it shows how to make account, so you can see before video. Okay, then on the click on create button at the top left. Yeah, first we must learn what are the uses of blocks. Okay, when we learn uses of blocks, we can easily learn the what is this is top. See, it is in event. This is, if we click this, it will happen. Yeah, okay, when click, see, this is also this bar. If under, we can load any strips. Yeah, let's start from motion. In motion, if you click, when click, it will move just 10 steps. Okay, then what is turn? It's move, it makes sprite to the specific position. Okay, then what is turn? If I click, it turn degrees. Yeah, for this is as clock, it will turn is by clockwise, and this is for anti-clockwise. Okay, then what is go to random position? If I when click, it must go to any position. Why? Because the computer will take any position by as it is. If go to, I am going to make 819. That means 1 2 3 2 3 4. It's border. Yeah, see, 1 2 3 2 1 5. Okay, yeah, let's revise. Okay, when what is glide, it make glide 1%. See, it's glide its position, then for 2 seconds, see, it's slow gliding. See, it's 0 minus 1 to 3 1 to 3. It's slowly automatic efficiency it change. Okay, for this one, then this glide to a specific position. Okay, but this is an random position as it's, or it has, if we're having root to random position, or there's also mouse pointer. When we click, see, put all, if I'm going to load a forever, but it is in this next lecture. See, it will always point. See, that like it's never move. Okay, then what is glide? I'm going to glide at 0 0. See, center, it's glides at center. Okay, but when we click this, you put 35 or 36 35. Okay, then go to point in direction. Which direction you want to point? Which direction? If I am clicking point in direction, see, pointing direction. When click, if I want to point that direction at 180, and click point in 180. Okay, in costumes equal cent. Okay, yeah, then what is this point in direction? What is point? See, it's I is on the most pointed cursor. and mouse pointer or cursor. Okay, then is it what is change x by y by? Is change x by? See, it's move x by. If touching, understand? It's moving here. So if we set x by, I'm going to set x for 0. I set x to 0, 0. Yeah, okay. Then want to change y by? It's jumping. Change y by -10. Down, 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 down. Do you understand? Yeah, let's go to if on edge bounds. If we are changing our x by 10. It's like, see, it changed its position by 1000. Okay, yeah. What is set rotational style? It's rotational style to left to right. If we must load these blocks by if when click not like. Okay, let's digital. What is the expression if I want to display expression 192.910.522 is expression. The y position is 0, pure 0, 5.0234. It's 215. If I want to make s is 15. Yeah, let's start 35. Yeah, 35 it's mono. Okay, then what is direction? It's minus 5, it's pointing. Yeah, okay. Let's in next video I will show the uses of looks. Thank